It's proper moist. Hello, little buddy. Couple of points to start. Yes. Let me tidy up the road to start. A deer running past. Cool. Be camping next to these tonight. Right, we got the camp. I think I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna set up a tarp in the woods. We're up there somewhere. Can we get a fire going? I don't know, probably not, but we're gonna try. Right, there's our big shelter. All sorted. Squared away. Massive area to it. I think we're probably just going to be sitting. I can't see a fire going, but we'll try. First snack, spicy chorizo and cheddar chili rolitos. Starving.
What's that? Beer review.
Beer reviews with Drew first time. This week, Jubel with peach.
What's 4%?
I will point out he's already had 3 of these in the pub. So he's got a taste from. Only 4, is it?
Yeah. It's a good drink.
What does it give you notes of? Peach. It's a solid drink, that one.
It's a good 8.5 for me.
Yeah, 8.5.
Refreshing.
That's strong.
It's a bit of the head in your pencil. Like.
Some cool looking mushrooms in this tree. Check out this little dude I just found in the tent. Hello, little buddy. Oh, wow. I've never seen one that colour before, actually. That's so cool. Cool. Some more cool mushies. I need a better camera. The colours are not showing up on us anymore. And we just noticed something has been munching these flying agarics. I bet they're flying right now. He's trying not to sink in the mud yet.
I'll find the mouse right.
Right, the rain's in now. It's proper moist. You hear that right? Moist. Right, next beer review. This is Vault City Strawberry Sundae.
Strawberry Sundae. Still large.
What have we got to say about this? You've tried it before?
Don't agree with me too well.
Yeah?
I still got 2 to drink, so.
Get bad guts, he said.
Smells like strawberries.
Yeah? Smells like strawberries and it feels like Sunday.
Yeah, it's not bad. Tastes alright.
Yeah?
But don't know if I agrees with me that well. Sipper.
Sorry. Tastes real good.
Yeah, it tastes alright. Sipper. Go on.
Want the reaction, yeah?
Not too bad. There's people around. I keep them on and he felt more safe like that. Mushrooms. Full pack. It's a lot, that. They do shrink down a bit, don't they? Hungry, eh?
Yeah.
Everyone loves people eating on the video.
Rump.
Rump steak. Poor man steak. Right, hurry up.
Steak of mushrooms.
Hurry up.
Any words to say on the Twin Peaks? Can you go? No.
Twin Peaks is okay, it's quite tasty.
Yeah.
It's quite tipsy, quite quick, I recommend it.
Oh, look out.
Right, so we've neglected bring an axe or a knife. So what I thought I'd try is this. So a candle, big old log which I cannot split. I've tried. Let's see if it takes. Place your bets. I mean, it might take an hour.
Ah, keep out. Unless you want to borrow my gas stove for the morning for coffee.
Oh, wash. Wash that jacket. We know where they melt.
I know they melt. Well, bam, son. You can get another 3 out cash, I reckon.
I'm absolutely bursting for a win. But I just got to explain which project moment.
Alright. Some lights in the woods, is
No,
there?
it's just me freaking myself out. Doesn't know it's dark.
Yeah, right.
I would offer to go there, but
No.
it's a freaky that now.
Any problems, just scream.
Yeah. Don't fall in the river.
Morning brews on. Feels to wake up to. Lazy cleaning method. Done. Cleaning up. Left it to everything is found. We'll be out next time. Who knows? Shout out to these guys. Catch you again soon.
Bad butt, did you?